10.7 is volumes of prisms and cylinders. Okay? Now the basic formula for a volume of a prism is volume equals that large B times height. What does that large B stand for? The area of the bases, whatever the area of the base is. Okay? So area of base times my height. What type of prism do I have here? A triangular prism. So what is the base? If I have a triangular prism, what shape is my base?
The triangle.
The triangle. Okay, the triangle. So if I want to find the volume of this, I've got to find, for this one, it would be volume equals, what's the formula for the area of a triangle? 1/2 base times height, and then I have times height again right over here, like this. What is the base of my triangle? What is the height of my triangle? 8 and 6. So 8 times 6, and then what's the height of my prism? 13. Beautiful. What's 8 times 6 divided by 2?
48.
24. What's 24 times 13? 312. So volume equals 312 what?
Centimeter squared.
No. Cube. Volume is cubed. Because here's what we did. This is centimeters. How many do I have? 3. We cube it. Okay? 312 centimeters cubed. Can you handle finding volume of a prism? Okay? If it is a rectangular prism, I find the area of the rectangle. If it's a square prism, I find the area of the square. If it's a pentagon, I find the area of a pentagon. If it's a trapezoid prism, you know how to find the area of a trapezoid. What is it?
A equals 1/2 H B1 plus B2.
Yeah, 1/2 of B1 plus B2 times H. I just threw that out there to see if we could remember. Funny how that works, huh? Remember area of trapezoid, 1/2 B1 plus base 1 plus base 2 times your height. Okay. Cylinders, the volume also is volume equals the area of the base times height. For a cylinder, what is always your base?
The flat part. I mean,
What shape, Emma?
circle.
A circle. So I could technically rewrite this formula to say volume equals, how do you find the area of a circle? Pi r squared. And so times the height. So technically the volume of a cylinder is that written out easier. So volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times my height. Okay? So it says find the capacity in gallons of the swimming pool shown. Round to the nearest whole number. Use 1 foot is congruent to 7.481 gallons. So first, let's find the area in feet, and then find the volume in feet, and then we can transfer it to gallons. Okay? So how do I find the volume of this? Yeah, divide 18 by 2. Why?
You have to find the radius.
Good, Craig. I have to find the radius. So what's my radius?
9.
So I have volume equals pi 9 squared times, what's my height? 4 times 4. What's 9 squared?
81.
So do 81 times 4 times pi and tell me what you get.
1,017.87.
Okay. Okay, so we get like a huge number, right? Okay, so if I take this, I get 1,000, okay, 81 times 4 times pi. They do it this way in the book, but in my calculator won't work. Okay, so you get 1,017.36. Now, it says 1 foot equals how many gallons?
7.4.
Good, so what do I have to do to that? If 1 foot equals 7,
Divided by that?
Yes.
I should multiply.
Okay,
14.
because 1 gallon or 1 foot equals 7 gallons. So I'm going from a smaller number to a larger number. So I have to multiply. So I need to multiply this by 7.481. Okay.
7,538.60.
I got 7,610.87. Okay, and then it says round to the nearest whole number. So what am I rounding to gallon wise?
7,611.
And 11 gallons. Gallons what? Cubed. Volume's always cubed. 7,611 gallons cubed is how much it takes to fill that swimming pool.
Stop. Both of you, please.
Okay.
Don't stop.
Just stop.
Please stop.
Okay. The solid shown is composed of rectangular prism and 2 half cylinders. Find the volume of the solid, round to the nearest cubic foot. So my question is this: how can I solve that problem? What, Carter?
I would probably do easier one versus just the rectangular.
Okay, so how do you find the volume of a prism? What's the base of the prism?
3
3 feet?
Time 1.5.
Time out. How wide is, okay, this is how long the base is. How wide is the base?
Oh. 2 feet.
2 feet. Good. 2 feet. Now, what's the height of the prism?
1.5.
Good. 1.5. So what does that come out to be?
Wouldn't you have to
Nine.
also multiply by half?
9.
Wouldn't you multiply it by half?
What do you mean when I multiply it by height?
By half.
By what?
Half.
Why by a half? Do I have a triangle prism? No, I have a rectangular prism, right? Rectangular prism.
What?
So you said we would multiply 3 times 2 times 1.5. What do you get when you multiply 3 times 2 times 1.5? 9. Okay. So I get 9 feet cubed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I have to find the volume of what? Well, time out. If I have 2 half cylinders, what does that mean?
You have a hole.
I have a whole cylinder. So I don't need to do 2 halves because I have a hole with 2 halves. So I don't have to do anything besides just use the formula for a cylinder. Okay, for a cylinder. So what's the formula for cylinder volume equals? Okay, what's my radius? 1. Pi r squared, and then it's what? Times pi. Okay, so what's pi times 1.5 then, right?
4.7.
4.7. Okay.
4.7
feet cubed.
8.
So then what do I have to do with that information?
Add it to 9.
Add it to 9. So what's 9 plus 4.7?
13.7.
13.7 1 2 3
13.7 feet cubed. And it says round to the nearest foot, so the nearest foot is 14 feet cubed. And that's the stuff you're working on tonight on your homework. Okay? What card? Oh.